Hello everyone, and welcome back to Gandhi's YouTube channel. Did you know keeping all your DNS records without cleaning them regularly could put your website at risk? Those IP addresses, subdomains, or saved cookies that you don't use anymore could give cybercriminals a great opportunity to sneak into your account or redirect your users to a forged website. It might not only cause your personal information or your customers' sensitive data to be compromised, but it could also damage traffic to your website and even impact your users' trust. But don't worry, that's why today we're going to introduce you to one of our new features, DNS export. By exporting your DNS records to a CSV file, you can identify multiple domains which point to the same IP addresses, or you could use it to keep your DNS records organized and reduce risk to your website. As always, start by logging into your Gandhi account dashboard and clicking on Domain in the menu on the left. Here you'll see a list of all your domains. Switch to Advanced View in the upper right corner. You'll find a gear icon that appears on the right side of the list. Click on this icon, then on Export DNS Records to CSV. Just like that, all of your DNS records for all your domain names will be exported as a CSV file and sent to your email address. What if you want to export the DNS records only for certain domains? All you need to do is select the domain names from the list by clicking in the check boxes next to them. Now, select Export from the bottom of the page. Click DNS records for the export type. And then click Continue. You'll be able to see how many domains you have selected along with the email addresses where you'll receive the CSV file. Finally, finish the process by clicking Run the Export. And that's how you use our DNS export feature. If you're interested in more useful features that help protect your website, we recommend watching this video on how to activate your DNSSEC. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found the video helpful, please don't forget to like it and leave us a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Gandhi's YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next one.